So again, what are some of these advantages of having more cameras, 3 or more? You can achieve definitely a more professional look, maintain audience interest by switching in and out, so on and so forth. You can help your audience focus on points of interest, like kind of what we're doing right now with the screen. And you could have a backup camera in case one craps the bed or something like that. Bam, look, you still have 2 cameras working. It's not the end of the world. And it also allows you to access more options to reintroduce and repackage production in post. You have more options. They were there. So if something bad happened live, like it's happened with us a few times, having multiple cameras has allowed us to go back in and fix it. So theatrical school plays or concerts. I did a lot of these in schools. I was in charge of live streaming a lot of the plays in the school that I went to. So again, you have your wide. That's usually at the center, way in the back of the theater. Then you have camera 2, which is on the left of the stage. Then you have camera 3 on the right. Now, this might get a little confusing, but the diagram we'll have up in a little bit will hopefully clarify that quite well. And a bonus camera could actually be, it could be from the pit where the orchestra is playing, a great shot of the orchestra. It could be of the side of the stage for any additional or unique point of views, anything to really help sell the play. So here you have camera 1. Camera 1 is a wide, direct, front-on view of the entire stage so you can see everybody. Camera 2 over here. Now this is important. That is off to the left of the stage. It needs to be focused on the right side of the stage, so over here. That's where it needs to be focused, over here. Okay? And then this one, for camera 3, is the opposite. That's over on the right. It needs to be focused over on the left, so over here. Okay? And that establishes your 180-degree line. Now, the 180-degree line is very important in keeping everyone's flow the same in order for us to understand where someone's eye line is. So that's very important for stuff such as theatrical and things such as like that. You'll see it in movies all the time, one character facing right, and then it'll cut to a reaction shot that other character is now facing left. That's keeping our eye line. So that's exactly what that does. And then finally, you have the bonus cam, which is usually in a pit, usually down below. That could just be really whatever just happens to look cool on the stage, or like you happen to really focus on an actor singing or an actor performing. You can get a really good close-up on them, or even perhaps just a reaction shot of some of the other players in the back. But definitely focus on the players.